Tactical cover. Ready for this, boys? Alright. Yeah. Bunker right there. You guys just stand out in the open. Come on, dude, get some cover. Oh my God. Right there. He's getting eaten by the smoke right now though. I'm shooting right now. Yeah. It's still going? Oh, no, he's dead. How's that thing still going, bro? Yeah. It's not on fire. Yeah. I didn't pay for it. I told you. I didn't pay for it. Yeah. Yeah, all the little kids. I want to shoot the little kids. I don't care about the CZ guys. Oh, wait. Oh, I was about to say. Oh, dude.
He's little. He doesn't know any better.
Come on, man. Wait, they're not even paying attention to us. Bronson, let's go. They're not paying attention to us. Go, man. Tree. Put your hand up, bro. Come on. I hit you. Hey, Willie. Behind this tree right here. Buddy, I hit you. Come on, man. Okay. Hey, there's still some in chapel. Popping a new one. I got 4 of them. They're all dead over here. I shot him already. Buddy! Hey, grenade. I'm gonna throw a grenade in there again. Watch my 6. Hey, can you pin them down real quick?
I don't know where they are.
They're inside the chapel. Yeah. God damn it. Never mind. It's not gonna go off. Around the corner.
Where's our spawn?
Oh no. Got one! Oh, shit. Oh God, I'm about to die. I need help. Oh my God, how did I live? Dude, I was out of ammo. Wait, where'd you say our respawn was? We got 3 guys behind that rocket still. Hey, there's a gap on the wood right there. Hey, barracks. Yeah. Do you want me to go over there behind the chicken coop and like lay down? Okay. Hey, Willie, I'm gonna go lay down behind the chicken coop, yeah? Come on with Adam. Adam, come with you. You wanna go right there? One at the barracks. I can, he can't. Yeah, he's not even hitting anywhere close. Oh, dude, you reacted to that. That's bull. Rocket. Hey, guys, still some at rocket. Huh? No, you totally hit him. Adam. Guys coming from the town. I'm gonna stay over here. Hey guys, shift fire right. We got hostiles in the town. Hey, chapel guys. I'm waiting until they get a little bit closer. Got one. Come on, buddy. Hey, Adam, you might want to shift fire right. I would. I'm getting kind of hammered over here. Well, my mag pouch just fell out, so yeah. Hey, there's two in the first building in front. Adam, that building right there. Hey. Do you want to, I can chuck a nade in there. I have to get closer. You have to cover. Hey, Adam. If you cover my 6, I can get down there.